My name is Keshav Gupta, and I'm 15 years old. I know that I'm not of voting age as of now, and according to India's laws, I shouldn't be I'm not that developed as to be talking about elections, the government or India is. Even I can't think of myself about talking to them, but like nowadays, every Tom, Dick, and Harry is talking about these things. So I just thought maybe I could share some of my views. Right now, the elections for the PM are there, and there are three main candidates, obviously. Rahul Gandhi, who is for Congress, Arvind Kejriwal, who is for AAP, and then finally Narendra Modi, who is for BJP. According to me, Narendra Modi, short name Namo, is the best candidate right now because, as you all know, most of the people I know, they are all voting for Modi, and like they are all awestruck by him. There has to be something in that person that everyone is voting for him. Like you don't attract such a big crowd for nothing. Then, as you all know, that in Gujarat, what the Muslims in Gujarat they worship Modi, like they trust him with their life. So what I think is you can't make a connection like that. Like unless and until you have really something in you, you can't make a connection like that. Then let me talk about Arvind Kejriwal. I don't think Arvind Kejriwal is the right choice because he did make his spot in the sunlight and before, but what did he do? He did become the CM of Delhi, but what did he do there? He just basked in glory and just resigned. Then let's talk about Congress. Congress has been ruling us for some time now. Like it has been almost, I think, 10 years. And Rahul Gandhi, I don't think, because they have been ruling us, and what good has brought to India? And we all seem to understand that if Narendra Modi comes as the PM of India, there are some big changes that are going to take place. So that's just what I want to say. And again, up to Modi Sarkar.